Chain Killer.
Riding with the head full of buckets of red, and what I said still stuck in my head with misled. Thinking the things I do would make you never wanna come back. Running on thumbtacks, you can never go from that. Being trapped in this with you, something that I never wanted to do, but through it all you got to see that where I want to be is over the pen again, letting it out of me in the center of the day of the dream. Seeing all my thoughts getting lost in between, realizing one of the way that it seems, and the killing of the killer with her head full of screams. I wanna live in another place where no one can say that I live for them. When it all falls apart, knowing that I'm hollow, hoping that you won't know the strain it puts to me. See what you've done, and consequently I've run away. Let's get together within the boundaries of the nameless. Told me to say this, but you're dragging me down. Lost in the chaos, being tossed around, singing and thinking myself. A head full of hectic. Hope that someday you'll regret this. Everything's a wrong place at wrong time. Addict to the panic of my confine, singing and thinking myself. A head full of hectic. Hope that someday you'll regret this. Everything